Then I kind of switched direction when I realized how expensive it would be to build a 900 horsepower supercharged
V8.
So this was actually much cheaper and more drivable.
What's the tranny like?
It's a 6-speed Tremec.
Okay.
Oh, sweet.
Bought it as a package from Cleveland Power Performance in the States.
Nice. What about the rear end? What's the...
Stock rear end.
Okay.
With 411s. I had to splice a 70 drive shaft with a Hellcat drive shaft.
Yeah.
Connect, but yeah.
How much power are you pushing out of this baby?
45 stock on these engines.
Yeah.
I don't know, with like the little intake and the exhaust is 3-inch in dump, so just by the rear axle, so I'm hoping that gives it a bit more.
Gotcha, yeah. How's the drivability? Is like pretty good?
It's tight. It's all it's all custom suspension built by another guy in the States.
Nice.
For car, so it handles pretty much like a new one.
Yeah, where'd you get this wrap done?
Guy in town, I think it's either Redline or Adrenaline on one of the sophomore.
Oh
he ripped it off pretty quick.
That's amazing.
Just because I ran out of money.
Yeah. Have you taken this to the track at all?
No.
No?
It's not quite there yet.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna sort out some rear end stuff with it.
Oh yeah, I bet. Yeah. Holy guacamole! Jeez.
So what the progress is in all the cars. Of course.
Where'd you get the motor?
The States.
No, like that. Oh, you actually bought it? Like, or was it you?
Cleveland Power Performance.
Yeah.
Go around and buy smash up cars at auction and salvage drivetrains.
Can we hear it? Yeah. What exhaust you running?
Black Widow.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Black man.
Black Widow's on.
Hey, bro, you want to come over here for a second?
Let's hear this baby.
And the race panel with tanker house. Trying to.
Oh yeah. That's awesome.
Is that a Hellcat swap? That's sick. That's phenomenal.
Look at this, hey, the steering shaft has to go through the headers.
Yeah. So how does this work? Like, I guess it's really kind of wired in because there's no, it's just motor, right?
There's got to be someone out there that's understanding
How it all connects, right? Yeah.
I'm glad you clarified that because the last time you were here,
That's a elephant.
It's a elephant?
It's a elephant.
No way. Oh, it is. Damn. I thought it was a Hellcat swap, but it's a elephant. Whoa. But were you saying the drive shaft goes through where?
The steering shaft actually has to go through the headers.
That's crazy.
There's no easy.
Yeah, he had to bend the header.
Custom. That's real custom right there. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah.
That is crazy. Nice. Another 392 swap. Phenomenal. That's a lot of space. Hey, look at all that.
Yeah, really.
For sale. 260,000.
I think at the end, more or less, they're the same.
Another 392 swap. Phenomenal. That's a lot of space. Hey, look at all that.
Yeah, really. Man, if I had that much room to work on the others.
I know, right? That's awesome.
No, they check me out.
So this is
26 cars for me.
wow. That's cool. And a convertible with Willwoods. It's got everything, eh? That's great.
So she drove
1971 Resto mod. 5-speed.
This was at Harvey's, right?
It's crazy. What a choice between anything, eh? Wait! It's another 6.4, dude.
Do you want me to take a picture of it?
Dude, nice. Wow. Wow. That's awesome. I didn't even know. Another one of these, man. Another one of these. I guess so, yeah. I see the badge. 6.4 liter RT. Powered by SRT. Look at that. Phenomenal. That's cool. Another 6.1. Wow. 6.1, 6.1, 6.1. Oh, it's swapped. Nice. Look at this. 5.7 swap.
Daddy.
Oh yeah.
Give me a double cheese bacon water.